Hi, this is Zaina Fatma, and I am the group lead for our final hoop project. The game that we're making is called HU Kabal, and my team members include Amar Khalid, Faizan Kazi, and Kareem Rad Niaz. The game description is given as follows. As you can see, Kabal is an arcade game, which is basically which is a shooter game in which the player has to kill all the enemies and dodge their attacks simultaneously in order to win the game. So our game comprises of enemies and our player, which are going to be attacking each other, and we have to make sure that our player uh, dodges all of the bullets and all of the attacks from the enemies in order to win the game. The game might consist of a few levels, and there will be different upgrades for the weapons and for the enemies as well. So the UML that we made for this game is uh, is this is right here. So basically, this red part, this is the unit class, and this class encompasses all of our moving objects, which include our player and our and enemies and the moving obstacles that that will be affecting that will be attacking our player, and this class is the parent class for the rest of these classes, which are inherited from the unit class. The inherited classes include bullets and enemies and player, and since these are moving objects, these are also abstract classes like the unit class, and there are further more classes that are inherited from these classes. Those classes are that they can be seen in this green block, which includes different names of different enemies that we're going to have over the entirety of the game, and these are the different weapons that we are going to have that our enemies are going to attack us with. This part here is the menu class. The menu class is an entirely separate class from the rest of our game because it's a pretty simple class, and it consists of our screens that we're going to render. We currently are working on 4 screens. Our first screen would be the menu, which will have the option for a start button and an instruction on how to play and an exit button. The second screen would be the game screen where the game will be going on, and the third screen is our pause screen where the player will be able to pause the game and then resume it uh, according to their own wish. And the last screen is the exit where the player will be directed to once the game ends. The 4 screens that we've made are these. This is our main menu. As you can see, we have the name of the game here. We have our start game, how to play, and exit game buttons here. The second screen is the pause screen, which again has the resume and exit game button, and our third screen is the game end screen, which will give us the option to either restart the game or exit the game at yes, completely. The fourth screen, which is our game screen, will be rendered and we will work on it during the project. So yeah. So this is it. This is what we've essentially worked on till now. This our UML, the game description, and the 3 game screens.